Hey there, future web developers! Ready to dive into the exciting world of front-end development? If you're a complete beginner, don't worry, we've got you covered. In the next 5 minutes, we'll lay out a clear roadmap to get you started. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the path ahead and be ready to start your journey to becoming a front-end wizard. Let's get started. First stop on our roadmap: HTML. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a website. It provides the structure and content, the bare bones. You'll be working with things like headings, paragraphs, lists, and even learn how to insert images. We'll start with the basic tags, get you comfortable with the syntax, and then gradually move towards more advanced concepts like semantic HTML. Semantic HTML means using elements that describe the content and have meaning for the browser and the developer. This will make your code more readable and accessible, which is always a good thing. Alright, we've laid the foundation with HTML, now let's make it look good with CSS. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, allows you to style your HTML, making your website visually appealing and engaging for users. With CSS, you'll learn how to change colors, fonts, adjust layouts, and even create those sleek modern designs you see all over the web. We'll dive into things like Flexbox and Grid, which are powerful tools for creating complex and responsive layouts. Start by experimenting with different styling options, play around with colors and fonts, see what works and what doesn't. Remember, the more you experiment, the better you'll become. So we've got our structure with HTML, we've styled it up with CSS, now it's time to add some interactivity with JavaScript. JavaScript brings your website to life by allowing it to respond to user actions, create animations, and dynamically update content. Think about those cool interactive maps, animated graphics, or those smooth scrolling effects. Yeah, that's all JavaScript. We'll start with the fundamentals like variables functions and how to manipulate the document object model, or DOM. The DOM is how you access and interact with the HTML elements on your page using JavaScript. Once you've got a handle on the basics, we'll move into more advanced concepts like asynchronous JavaScript and APIs. APIs are ways for your website to communicate with other applications like pulling in data from a weather service or integrating with social media platforms. Now that you've got a solid foundation in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you're ready to step up your game with frameworks and libraries. Think of these as powerful tools that streamline the development process and help you build more complex and robust web applications. Some of the most popular front-end frameworks and libraries out there are React, Vue, and Angular. React is known for its component-based architecture and its massive community support. Vue is praised for its simplicity and ease of use, while Angular is great for building large-scale applications. The best way to choose a framework is to do some research, experiment with a few, and see which one clicks with you. Once you've found a framework you like, dive deep, learn its ins and outs, and master it. And there you have it, your roadmap to front-end development. You've learned about the building blocks of the web, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and how frameworks can help you create even more amazing things. Remember, this is just the beginning. The world of front-end development is constantly evolving, with new technologies and techniques emerging all the time. Stay curious, experiment, and don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to tackle new challenges and build incredible web experiences. So get out there, start building, and most importantly, have fun. So that's the roadmap to front-end development. We covered a lot of ground, but hopefully you now have a better understanding of what it takes to build for the web. Remember, the best way to learn is to just dive in and start building. There are tons of amazing resources available online, from free tutorials to comprehensive online courses. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tech deep dives, coding tutorials, and everything in between. Until next time, keep building awesome things.